to continue this chapter with our new exercise, that is exercise number 3B. So students, listen carefully and look at the notebook very carefully. So students, question number 1. What is the question number 1? Fill in the blanks to make each the following a true statement. So students, I'm going to do only one question. You have to do next parts. So students, that is 458 plus 639 equals 639 equals to dash. So students, to correct this, we have to look at the right hand side and left hand side. First of all, this is the left hand side. There are two numbers, but here it is only one, which is not taken here. It is 458. So this number will be written here. So students, it's really easy. So students, you can do the next questions very easily. So part 2, 3, 4 and 5 can be done by you very easily. So students, moving towards our next question. So question number 2. Add the following number and check by reversing the order. First of all, we had to add. How are we going to add it? Question number 1. 16509 added by 114. Students, first of all, we are going to add them. How will we add them? In such a way. So students, we can add in the rough side 16509 114. So students, add them. What it comes? You can add 1. So it will become 16,623. Very easily. Now reversing the order. Now we are going to reversing the order. We are going to reverse the orders. So we are going to write 114 first, and then we are going to write 16509. We are again going to add them. So it will again be added in such a way. It will be again added in such a way. Both will be added. You can look carefully. There will become 16623 again. So that means it justifies, it's really true in the case of both the types. So when we add 16509 in 114 or 114 in 16509, the result is same. So it is clear in the case of these questions. So students, now we are going to do our question number 3. This type of the questions, there are 3 questions of this type of question. So we are going to do our next part. What is the next part? That is find the sum. Find the sum of which numbers? 1546 plus 498 bracket, it will be 3589. 3589. So students, we are going to add them. What will it become? So students, can you do it by yourself? Students, can you do it by yourself? When we add those two numbers, what do we get? Students, when we add both two numbers, by adding two numbers in such a way, so addition is really easy. as you all are doing from previous years. So it's really easy. So it will become 2044 plus next is 3589. Now we are going to add these numbers. We will get again by adding 3589. We will get, it will be 3, 13, 1 carry, again 13, 1 carry, 6, and this will be 5. It will be 5, 6, 3, 3. Now second part, also find the sum of now. What is the next part? 1546 plus 498 plus 3589, 3589. Again we are going to add in such a way, 3589 plus 498. Students, what will we get? Students, what will we get? If we add them in such a way, we will get 4087. From here, it's 17, 1 carry, 9 and 1, 10 and 8, 18, 1 carry, 5 and 4, 9 and 1, 10, 1 carry, 3 and 1, 4. So it will be 4087. So now 4087 will be added to this one. How will we add them? Again we are going to add them here. When we add them, we will get the result same as done in the upper quotient. So when we find such type of the properties in such a way, a plus b plus c equals to a plus b plus c. This is the property. Students, this is the property. Which type of the property is it? So students, first of all the question is asked, are the sums equal? Yes, the sums are equal. Sums are equal. And the property is known as, so this question satisfies associative property. Associative property. So students, this question is again really very easy. Students, is it clear to you? Yes, it's really clear. So moving towards our next question. What is the next question, students? Students, look carefully. It's same question that we have done in the fourth part, but here it is given, determine each of the sums given below using suitable rearrangement. So students, we can do very easily. So can you please tell me what is the arrangement of this type of the questions? We are going to do the sums by rearrangement. How we will rearrange them? Students, how we will arrange them? So students, whenever we are going to do such questions, first of all we are going to add two bigger numbers. If they are not rearranged, we have to write them like that. So first of all we are going to add them. What is it? 707, 10, 1 carry, 5 and 1, 6, 9 and 7, 16. It will be 1660. And added to 6, 4, 7. Added to 6, 4, 7. It will be 7, 0, 1 carry forward, 6 and 6, 12 and 1, 13, 1 carry forward, 1 and 1, 2. It will be 2307. You can do next type of the question, students. It's very easy, students. it was only asked to rearrange them. First of all, you have to arrange them in the descending order. Then you have to add the next parts. So you can do next types of the questions. So students, now we are going to do our next question. What is the next question? Students, can you tell me what is the next question? It's question number 5. What we have to do? Find the sum of the following by short method. It is 6784 added by 9999. It is 6784 is added by 9999. So students, I think you know it is near to 10,000. We can expand it. We can write it in that way. So when we open the bracket, it will be in that way. Subtracting 1. So when we add those two numbers, we get 16784. It's really easy, na? Easy to add those two. Subtracting 1. When we subtract them, we get 16783. So it is our result. That is our